Morning students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your homes. I am your computer teacher Miss Madhuri from California Public School and class 3rd. In the previous video we have started our lesson number 2nd, that is the GUI operating system, and today we are going to start our next topic, that is basic operations on the desktop. So what is desktop here? Desktop is the first screen that appears when you switched on your computer. So selecting and deselecting the icons. So what are the icons here? Icons are the labeled pictures on the desktop that are present on your desktop, and icons helps us to open any app or software. So first one is selecting an icon. How we can select our icons? To select an icon, simply click on it. Simply हमने क्या करना है? Click करना है उसके ऊपर, and it will be highlighted. So when we will simply click on it, then light color shade will come. So that icon will be highlighted. And how we can deselect an icon? To deselect an icon, click away from it. Anywhere on the desktop you can click. So the icon will now be displayed in its original form. तो वो वापस अपनी form में आ जाएगा. So the next one is selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Adjacent means जो उसके आस पास हैं. Non-adjacent means जो कुछ distance में है. So selecting adjacent items. Left click on the first item to be selected. Left click करना है हमने mouse पे. As you know very well, there are two buttons on the mouse, left button and right button. So we have to left click on the first item, then hold down the shift key and click on the last item to be selected. फिर हमने क्या दबा के रखनी है? Hold down करके रखनी है shift key from the keyboard, and then release the shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. जो भी उसके आसपास items होंगी वो सारी की सारी क्या हो जाएंगी? Select हो जाएंगी. And then selecting non adjacent items means जो कुछ gap में है, difference is there and we want to select that icons. So hold down the control key. Which key we have to hold down? Control key, and click on each of the items to be selected one by one. बीच बीच में से हमने item को क्या करना है? Select करते जाना है, and this way you can select the non adjacent items. So in this way we can select the non adjacent items. So the next one is opening a program. Program here, program means any app or software if we want to open. So method one is click on the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. Firstly we have to click on the item and then we have to press the enter key from the keyboard. So that application window will be open. तो वो application और जो भी हमारा software होगा that will open. And second method is double click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. So this is the easy way. Simply we have to double click on the icon that we want to open. So that when we will double click, that application or icon or window will be open. So the method second is opening a program or app or software using the run option. Run option की help से कैसे open करना है? So firstly we have to click on the start button, then there is type, then we have to type run in the search box, and after that we have to press the enter key. The run dialog box will appear. Then that item that we want to find, we will type the name of the program in that box, and we have to click on the OK option. So here you can see. Firstly we have to open the run dialog box, then in open we have to write, for example here we want to open MS Paint, then we will write here MS Paint, and then we have to click on the OK option. So that MS Paint window will be open. So the next one is arranging the desktop icons. How we can arrange the desktop icons? कैसे arrange करना है? अगर हमने large view में करना है या small view में करना है, उसका view कैसे रखना है? So as you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, likewise you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, firstly we have to right click on the blank area of the desktop. Mouse की help से हमने क्या करना है? Right click करना है. Then options will be displayed. We have to select the view option, and then again auto arrange options will be displayed. So we will click on the auto arrange option and observe the changes. So according to that option we can observe the changes. So here you can see large icons option is there, medium icons, small icons. So according to our requirement we can choose any option. So the next one is sorting the icons. Sorting means we have to arrange it. We have to arrange the icons, whether it is in ascending order or descending order, or whether we want to arrange in according to name, size, item type and according to date. So these options you have to follow. Next one is changing the desktop background. For example, you want to change this background. For example, you can see here yellow color background is displaying, but you want to change this according to your requirement. You want to change this. So these options we have to follow. Firstly, we have to right click anywhere on the desktop. Then there is personalize option. We have to click on the personalize option. Then personalization dialog box will appear. So in that option we have to click on the desktop background option. Then new window with multiple images will appear. As you can see here, multiple images will appear. So select any background from the display list. According to your requirement you can choose any background. So a preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. So that background will be applied to your desktop or monitor screen, and after selecting the background click on the save changes button and close the dialog box. So according to that we can choose our background. So the next one is changing the screen saver. So here what is the screen saver? Basically screen saver is an image, एक पिक होती है which pop up on the computer screen. जो pop up होती है means computer screen के ऊपर आती है whenever computer is left idle for a certain period of time. जब कंप्यूटर क्या है कुछ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए क्या हो जाता है, आइडल रहता है, फ्री रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने कंप्यूटर को ऑन किया और कुछ टाइम के लिए मैंने उसको यूज़ नहीं किया, वो वैसे का वैसे ही चलता रहा, तो हम क्या डिस्प्ले करवा सकते हैं, स्क्रीन सेवर. So by pressing any key or moving the mouse you can again get back to the normal screen. So follow the given steps to change the screen saver. So firstly we have to right click on the blank area, then same personalize option we have to choose, then personalization dialog box will appear. So in that dialog box we have to click on the screen saver option because we want to change the screen saver. So next we have to from the drop down arrow we have to choose the screen saver section and select the screen saver of your choice. You can see from here you have to click on here, then different names of screen saver will be displayed. So to watch the preview on the full screen click on the preview button. So preview भी देख सकते हैं, जो भी आपने screen saver लगाया होगा वो कुछ मिनट के लिए लगेगा वहाँ पे. So wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview of the selected screen. Then move the mouse to come back to the screen saver setting window. So change the time in wait box as per your need. कुछ टाइम के लिए, कितने टाइम के लिए आप लगाना चाहते हो that you can choose. So use the up arrow to increase and the down arrow to decrease the time. अगर आपने ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए लगाना है then you can increase the time, and if you want to कुछ टाइम के लिए आपने लगाना है then you can choose decrease the time option, and then at last you have to click on the OK button. So in the next video we will discuss about desktop gadgets. So take care students, bye bye.